maximize z equals to 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y, such that given constants, okay, such that first one is 3x plus 5y less or equals to 15. 3x plus 5y less or equals to 15. We will say this is constraint number 1. Another one, 5x plus 2y, 5x plus 2y less or equals to 10. This is our constant number 2. And another is x greater or equals to 0, y greater or equals to 0. This is together non-negative constant, okay? And x greater or equals to 0 comma y greater or equals to 0, we will say this is your 3. Constant number 3 is called non-negative constant. From 3 we can say that our feasible region will be in the first quadrant, okay? So firstly, from 3, constant number 3, from constraint 3, feasible region in the first quadrant is the first step. From constant 3, feasible region, okay, feasible region in first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, feasible region in the first quadrant. Okay, then we will draw this constant number 1 on the graph. Okay, graph. So plot xy plane here. This is y axis, because feasible region in the first quadrant, so I can make this here somewhat. Okay, x axis, y axis. So firstly we will plot 3x plus 5y equals to 15 line. Okay, so next step we'll say, okay, draw line, this 3x plus 5y equals to 15. Okay, 15. How to draw line? Just taking some points. Okay, we can put x value 0 one time, not always 0, any value you can put, but putting x 0 and y 0, it's more convenient. That's why. So draw a table x, y here. Whenever x 0, what is y? X 0, 5 3 is 15. Okay, whenever y 0, what is x? No. Y 0, 5. So from here we are getting 2 points, 0, 3, 5, 0. From here we are getting points. A point is 0, 3 and B point is 5, 0. Okay, plot this 0, 3 and 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3. You have graph now? In that graph, show me the graph. Okay, graph, when you plot the graph, you do some scaling also, na? So no problem here, only 5 points are there. So 1 unit scale, how to write? 1 equals to 1 centimeter, that 1 centimeter equals to 1 point here. So same you draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have here, that's why I am giving, equating this. So where is 5, 0, 3, point number A, locate 0, 3, x value 0, y value 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the point number A, 0, 3. This is your A point. Where is point B? 5 comma 0, this is your B point. 5 comma 0. Now join these 2 points, you will get line. Join these 2 points, you will get the line. Yeah. Put 0 0 in 1. What is 1? Then 3 into 0 is 0, plus 0 less or equals to 15. So from here 0 less than 15, it is true. If it is true, whenever true, it means we have put origin, it means your feasible region towards origin. So next line, feasible region towards, okay, origin. Feasible region towards origin, and also from the constant number 3, feasible region in the first quadrant. So feasible region is here, this side. Okay, put some arrows, this side, and this side. Clear? Now draw the another line. 5x plus 2y equals to 10. Then draw 5x plus 2y equals to 10. X, y. Whenever x 0, y is 5. Whenever y 0, x is 2. So from here, one point is 0 comma 5 and one point is 2 comma 0. Hey, window, why? First listen. After that, you both are you. Abhishek and Karthik. Continuously drawing line. Later I will give time. From here, you can say C point is 0 comma 5. Point number D, 2 comma 0. Locate these points, 0 comma 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 0 comma 5. This is 0 comma 5 means C point. 2 comma 0, this, it is C point. Join C, this is D. Join C and D. Join C and D using scale. Put 0 0 in 2. Then 0 plus 0 less or equals to 10. 0 less than 10, true. So feasible region towards origin. Okay, feasible region towards origin. Towards origin. It means this is the line. Towards origin means feasible region this side, and this side. Okay, already in the first quadrant. Now you have to follow all the arrows. All arrows. If you follow all arrows, then you will get this region. Correct now? Very clear. So this is your the required feasible region, and this came bounded. Region is bounded means maximum exists, minimum exists. So whatever you want to maximize the function. So you will get the answer. So this is your feasible region. This is the feasible region, and it is bounded. As okay, this is the feasible region. Okay, feasible region is bounded. If feasible region is bounded, then we will check how many corner points. How many corner points identify? This is the corner points. Okay, this is one corner point. This is also one corner point, and this is also one corner point. We already know coordinate of A, 0 comma 3. Okay, coordinate of O, 0 0. D, 2 comma 0. What about this? A, B, C, D. Let's say this is E. E we can find out by solving equations. We need E point next. Okay, how to get E points? We have to solve equations. First equation was 3x. See, from 1 3x plus 5 by equals to 10, and 5x plus 2y equals to 15. Now we can use elimination method. Either we can eliminate x or y. What do you want to eliminate, x or y? x x को हटाते हैं ना, here multiply by 5 and here by 3, so 5 into 3 15x, 5 into 5 25 by and 75, 15x 6y equals to 30. Okay, minus 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 cancel, khalas. 25 minus 6 19 by equals to 5, 7 minus 3 4, so y value came 45 upon 19. Okay, now to get x value you can put this value in equation number 5. Okay, okay, 19 is prime number na, cancellation is not allowed. In 5 then it will be 5x plus 2 and y means 45 upon 19 equals to 10. So from here what is x value? 5x plus 95, directly doing 10 minus 90 upon 19, 2 into 45 90 na, 90 upon 19, 19 into 10 190 minus 90. We will be little bit clever also. See, we can divide by 5 here, you can see here 5, here 5 and here 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 common and cancel, very good na, numbers will be small. Then x plus 2 into 9 18 upon 19 equals to 2. Then what is x? 2 minus 18 upon 19, so x value 38 minus 18 upon 19, so it will be how much? 38 minus 18, 8 minus 8 0, 20 upon 19. So what is the point E? Coordinate of point E, 20 upon 19 comma 45 upon 19. Note this. Dodu number game. Okay. Next in the graph also show that this point what came? This point came 20 upon 19 comma 45 upon 19. Okay. So this in the graph and you can show all these points. A point was 3 comma 0 comma 3 and this C point 0 comma 5 and this point D point it is 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 0. Okay, all points shown in exam. Okay, next. Now we need a table. Okay, table here corner points. This value is corner point. Corner point. Okay, this is z value. What is objective function? Z value is 3x plus 5y. Okay, this is blank. Later we will decide maximum or minimum. So corner point 1 is origin 0 comma 0. Corner point 0 comma 0. Okay, then one is D point 2 comma 0 and one is A point 1 2 3 0 comma 3 and one is E point. E point is 20 upon 19 comma 45 upon 19. Okay, this is 0, this is 3 into 2 6 here and this is 3 into 5 15 here and this is now correct. Now do here calculation, 3 into 20 upon 19 plus 5 into 45 upon 19, 60 and here 90 5 into 5 5 ja 25, 20 and 2, 2 to 5 upon 19, 5, okay, 0 2 6 8 and 2 285. It is coming 285 upon 19. This is your maximum. Maximum. Okay. So Z equals to 285 upon 19 at 20 upon 19, comma 45 upon 19. This is equals to same as 15. If same as 15, then maximum has 2 points. This is also maximum. And 0 comma 3. No.